In this video, we are going to demonstrate the steps to share a public post to your story, making sure the account is public and they've allowed resharing of their posts. Step 1. Check account privacy and resharing settings. Before you can proceed with sharing someone's post on your story, you need to ensure that their account is public and that they've enabled the resharing of their posts. Private accounts and those that haven't allowed resharing won't have this option available. Step 2. Locate the post in your feed. Once you've verified that the account is public and allows resharing, locate the post in your feed that you want to share with your story. It could be a photo, video, or even a reel. Step 3. Initiate the sharing process. Underneath the photo or video in the feed, you'll find the necessary options to initiate the sharing process. Look for a specific button or icon that indicates sharing. This is often represented as an arrow pointing upward or an icon that represents sharing. Step 4. Add the post/video/reel to your story. After tapping the sharing button, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Add post/video/reel to your story. This action will essentially prepare the content to be shared in your own story. Step 5. Confirm the story. Before the post is shared on your story, you'll have the chance to preview how it will look. You can add text and stickers or make any other necessary adjustments to customize the story as you like. This is the step where you can put your personal touch on the shared content. Step 6. Share the post to your story. Once you're satisfied with how the story looks, locate the Story Arrow button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This arrow is typically used to confirm your story before sharing it. Tap this button to proceed. Finally, you'll find the Share button, often indicated by an arrow pointing upward. Tapping this button will officially share the selected post from your feed with your story. And there you have it. You've successfully shared someone else's public post on your own story. Sharing posts from someone's feed to your story can be engaging on social media, but it depends on the account's public status and resharing settings. Follow this guide to share public content you like, while respecting the account owner's preferences. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon down there to show your support.